Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program that is given two strings. So this is the input string. So your program is given two strings as input and your task is write a Python program to get a single string where the two strings will be separated by space after swapping the first two characters of each string. So your program should take these two strings as input from the user and it has to get the single string where two strings will be separated by the space and you have to append these two strings and with the separated by the space and you have to swap the first two characters of each string. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to understand this. So I have two strings that is first and I have another string that is second. And now so what I'll be, so these are the two input strings. So now I have to get a output string, that is you have to swap the first two characters, that is let's say SE is a first two characters of second string and RST is a remaining string of the first string, that is this. And now so we have to get the, that is the second part or the second half of the string, that is let's take F5. So these are first two characters of the first string and it should be appended with the COND. Yeah, so this is the output string so that you have to print or your program has to print. So once we are done understanding this, so let's try to solve this. So let me take two variables, that is first, and use the input function call to ask a user to enter string, that is first string. So let's say enter first string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so it will be stored in this variable, that is first. So let's take another variable, that is second, and again use the input function call to ask a user to enter the second string. Yeah, so once the user enters the second string, it will be stored in this variable. So once we get two input values, that is first and second, so let's try to frame our output string. So let me take output underscore string. Yeah, so once we take this variable, that is output string, so we need to use the string slicing method over here. So let's take the second variable and let's take the first two characters. So in order to take first two characters, so let's use colon and that is colon and 2. So this refers to the, that is from start of the string to up to 2 characters. And now so we have to append it with the first, that is the first remaining half of the characters by skipping the first two characters. So let's take the first variable, that is string variable, and from the second index character, so you have to take up to the end. So this is the string slicing method that I am using, and we are done with the first part. So it has to be separated with the space. So now we have to get the, that is second half of the string, and in order to get the second half of the string, so let's take the first variable, and from the first variable, so you have to get the first two characters from the beginning up to the second index. So you have to get the, that is first two characters, and it should be ended with the remaining part of the second string. So let's take second variable, and from the second indexed character, so you have to get the complete string. Yeah, so this is a method of string slicing. So let me explain it again. So I have taken the second string and that is from the 0th index up to 2. So I have taken two characters, and from the second index to up to end, so I have taken all the characters from the first string, and from the first string I have taken from beginning to the second character, that is second index character, and second string I am taking from the second index up to the end of the string. Yeah, so this is a simple way of using string slicing and trying to solve this Python program. So now let's try to print the output string. So let's say output string is, so let's give colon, and yeah, so let's try to use the string, that is print formatting, and let's try to print the output string. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to get two strings and combine it with the one using the space and swap the first two characters of each string. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the first string, so let's say first, and enter the second string, so let's say second. So you can see output string is SC, that is second, and RST is the first string part, and this is the first string part, and this is the remaining, this COND is the last string part. Yeah, so let me re-execute it again, and let's say hello. So this is my first string, and let's say world. So you can see the output string is WO, and LLO is a first string part, and this is a first string part that has come under the second string, and RLD is the second string half of the part, that is keeping the two characters, remaining string has been appended over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to get two strings and append it by swapping the first two characters of each string. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.